The vocabulary word we are exploring now is replacement. Replacement. This word often comes up when something new takes the position of something old, broken, or unsuitable. Replacement can apply to objects, people in roles, or even ideas. It suggests substitution or filling a gap where something is missing. Meaning of replacement. Replacement means the act of substituting one thing for another or the new item that takes the place of the old. Examples. The replacement teacher guided the class smoothly. He ordered a replacement part for his bike. The new bridge was built as a replacement for the old one. Short story. Emma loved her stuffed toy rabbit, but one day it tore apart. Her mother promised to buy her a replacement. At first, Emma worried she could never love another toy the same way. When the new rabbit arrived, soft and bright, she slowly grew attached. She realized that replacement did not erase the memories of the old toy but added new ones to her life. Sometimes replacements come not to take away what we cherish but to help us move forward with comfort and joy.